What's going on, Gareth?
Oh, hey, what's going on?
What charts are we looking at?
So I'm looking at some different charts here, but I want you guys to follow me. We're going to take a look at this other board, all right? So this is where I got my key charts that I want you guys to take a look at. And so a couple charts that I'm watching today. Number one, silver. So silver's had a pretty impressive move to the upside, but look at what it's coming into. See this sideways consolidation area right here? Look at the lows of that and how you're now touching that level. So this $23 level on silver is going to be resistance. Now, again, in general, I'm bullish longer term on silver, but I think for the most part, we look for a little bit of a retrace before the next breakout, which would take us to this next level on the highs. Now, everyone wondering about what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum is now hitting a new short-term high today, getting above 1850. But look, still dealing with this trend line. Can it close above today? We're going to watch that. If it does, it opens the door for a potential move to the 2000 high pivot. Now, this high pivot was the highest point since the lows were made on Ethereum in this bear cycle. So that becomes your new target if we can stay above this 1850-ish area on Ethereum. A couple other trades in the stock world that I'm watching, guys. Take a look at AMD. AMD, look at this, guys. This is pretty incredible. Going all the way back here. So you're going way, way back to 2021. Look at the lows, then look at the highs here, the lows right here, the highs in here, high here, and look at where we're back to. So 102 to 103 is major, major resistance on AMD. The stock has rallied in about 2 to 3 weeks from about $75 all the way over 100. That, to me, is a short signal. All right, lots of hype on the semis because of AI. I think it's a lot of hype right now. You got to see a pullback in these stocks, so look for that. And just confirming that, one of the things I'm watching is the SMH. The SMH is the ETF that tracks the semiconductors. And what I'm seeing yesterday, we had this topping tail, right? So here's a topping tail yesterday. Watch to see where we close. For those of you, here's a tidbit of education. Topping tails are valid until proven otherwise. The way they fail is if you get a daily close above the highest point of the topping tail. So if we close today above that, this topping tail is negated. That's the bear signal. So if that gets negated, then it's back to bullish. But if we do close below that high right here, which is around 261-ish or so, if we close below that, then this topping tail is a bearish short signal and you short the semis across the board. All right. Hope you guys find this useful. Come find me at inthemoneystocks.com, verifiedinvestingcrypto.com, and for education, #1 out there, verifiedinvestingeducation.com. Take care.